In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a social media app in FlutterFlow. We'll start by heading over to FlutterFlow and creating a new project. After you sign in, click Create New Project, then choose either a blank project or a social app template. If you want full control over the layout and features, a blank project is a great choice. If you want a faster starting point, a template can help you move more quickly. Next, open your project settings and connect a backend. In FlutterFlow, this usually means linking your app to Firebase or Supabase. This backend connection is what allows your app to store user data, posts, and interactions. While you're there, make sure authentication is enabled so users can create accounts and sign in securely. Once the backend is connected, set up your database. For a social media app, you'll want collections or tables for users, posts, comments, likes, and followers. Inside those, add the fields your app needs, such as usernames, profile photos, post content, timestamps, and user IDs. A clean database structure early on makes everything else much easier to build. After that, move into the app design. Create the main screens your users will need, including a welcome page, login, sign up, home feed, create post, profile, notifications, and messages if you want that feature. At this stage, focus on building the basic structure so the user journey feels clear and organized. Now build the home feed, add a list view widget, and connect it to your post collection. Then configure each item to show the post image, caption, username, and timestamp. This feed becomes the core of the app, so make sure the layout is readable and easy to scroll through. To let users create posts, add a text field for captions and an upload image button. Then use the select media and upload media actions so users can choose a photo and send it to storage. After that, save the post in your database with a create document action. This ties the uploaded content and caption to the user who created it. Next, add the social features that make the app interactive. Include like buttons, create a comments page, and allow users to follow or unfollow each other. Each time someone interacts with a post or profile, update your database so the app stays in sync. Then add navigation with a bottom navigation bar. Link the tabs to pages like Home, Search, Create Post, Notifications, and Profile. This makes the app feel familiar and easy to move around. Finally, test everything using Run or Preview, create an account, upload a post, and check likes, comments, and navigation. Once everything works smoothly, build your Android, iOS, or web app, test it on real devices, and publish when you're ready.